We're gonna do a quick walk around here, just demonstrating the lights and going over the overall condition of the paint and wheels. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. We'd be happy to answer any questions, or use a contact seller button. If you need a shipping quote, you can use the contact seller button. We'd be happy to assist. And if you're interested in 911R representing a car for you, use the contact seller button. We'd be happy to start a conversation. Good luck with the rest of the auction.